What it does, y'all, man? It's your boy, my reactor man. I'm back at it again with another video, man. This time I go right once again to my girl, of course, Lele Pons, man. The title of the video is whose dog is it? Judging on her eyes, looking at me, it looks like she's about to say some crazy stuff. So be prepared for the worst. So without ado, let's just hop right into this video, Mark. Let's get it, Mark.
Welcome to the Dr. Feud Show. Today we have a special family feud involving the world's most famous Instagram dog, Sugar Bean.
Okay. Sugar Bean.
Sugar Bean has gone missing, and sadly it does not look like he'll be returning. The couple are here to settle his real estate, his finances, and most importantly, his social media account.
Don't talk to my kids. Don't look at him.
Please welcome the feuding couple. So, I hear you guys are getting a divorce.
Yes, finally, so we can be together.
Exactly. Do you see what's going on? That's her side piece. She's been cheating on me.
Why did you bring her?
Her?
Side
Why did you
piece.
bring the child?
That's our daughter.
She's Asian! She doesn't look like me! Well, I don't know this girl. Whatever. Okay, continue.
Okay, let's hear about the dog.
His face.
Who found him?
Oh, that would be me.
And who created his Instagram account?
I did that.
Actually, I did. Interesting. And who took care of him?
I did. I did.
I have something.
You didn't even know the dog.
I just need to use the bathroom.
Hold on. Don't talk to our daughter like that.
What daughter?
Batuka.
You know what? She's my daughter too.
Okay, moving on. The question everyone is dying to know.
You know she's my daughter
How did Sugar
too.
Bean become
Goofy ass.
Dog. It was October 3rd.
Hey, yo, man, what kind of animal is that?
It's a dog.
Dog? Nah, Star, that is a bear. So don't you know who I am? I'm the biggest rapper in Jamaica, man. Don't you want your dog to be famous? Let me get a picture with your dog, shoes, man. Shopping, man, with the main dog, man. Hey! What's the dog? Star now, man. He's a star.
That's how you look.
So now that we have to fight for his Instagram account, let me make this easier for you. Who lost the dog?
Hey, little girl, why don't you just go back home to your mom?
No, don't talk to my daughter like that. Why you boyfriend wear skinny shorts?
Hey, bro, these are jorts. Okay, get it right.
Jorts.
Speaking of Calvin, he brought us a clip today.
What?
I did bring a clip.
We're done. Roll the clip.
That's a surveillance video. Oh, I like a dog out.
Oh my god.
You dumb as hell.
Yeah, I didn't really watch the tape before I brought it in, so I didn't know.
It's stupid.
Yeah.
This man is stupid, boy.
In all honesty, I just broke up with him. He's not with me anymore.
Serious? Are you kidding me? 3 years sneaking around for you? This is how you repay me? 3 years?
Yes.
Oh my god. You know what? I'm glad we didn't do that for now.
Okay, so we still haven't gotten to the bottom of who is entitled to Sugar Bean's Instagram account. But I have a family member who might be able to help. Please welcome Princess Olivia. Welcome, Olivia. It's a pleasure to have you.
What is this? What? I'm sorry. What?
This is Sugar Bean's wife.
I'm sorry. I did not know anything about
Well,
that.
why don't we just let Princess Olivia speak for herself?
Oh my god. You know what? Yeah. Why don't we let her speak human? Okay? Yeah, she should speak human. What do you have to say for yourself?
Go ahead.
Well, Dr. Fee, I thought I'd given up on love, but then I found Sugar Bean. On our first date, he told me all about the crazy humans he had to live with. Then we shared a hamburger behind the
talking
dumpster
dog.
at sunset, and that's when I knew I loved him.
Time.
What? That's so sweet. Okay, it's settled. Princess Olivia is entitled to Sugar Bean's Instagram account.
What? No, I can just squish it.
And not only that,
It's not I can just squish her.
Yeah, you can have her.
Oh man, I actually kind of like the video. The talking dog. That's weird. I never seen that before. Only happens in the movies. In reality, a talking dog. Personally, that would freak me out. I would run out the show crazy like. Man, no time in this, man. If you enjoyed this video, man, please give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed the request the link or the title of the motherfucking video in the comment section. Damn, out. And I'm gonna catch you in my next episode. Peace.